Let's draw a fixed span strip for this. So we go back to modeling, slab strip, then we go to change this to FE strip, then we'll go to FE, then we'll click on fixed band strip. This is fixed band strip. This is span strip, this is rib strip, and this is span band, this is support strip, and this is fixed span strip. So now we need to draw, and we also need to check our direction. So in the X direction, which is this direction, we need to draw our fixed span strip. And in order to draw a fixed band strip for the X direction, we need to pick our points. We need to pick our point. So what I want is, I want the fixed span to cover the entirety of this ramp, even though I could do it sectionally, but I want it to cover the entirety of the ramp, since the ramp is just is a stair. It's more like a staircase or something. So I'm just going to draw the ramp to cover it. So now let me draw my strip. I can draw my strip somewhere around here. So let me draw the strip somewhere around here, and it's in the X direction. So you make sure that our delta y is 0, and then we can click right there. And you can see that the strip is actually just covering this small portion of the slab, but I want it to extend down here, and I want it to extend up there. So what I'm going to do to achieve that is, I'm going to adjust the scope width here. So now you see that this is 1000, so I need to make this, I can just adjust it systematically. So I can change it to 3000 and update. And once I update, you see that it has expanded. So let me start 5450. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. So now the other side of it, this downside of it, I can make that one, let's make it 8000. Okay, let me just leave it at 9300. Now we have a fixed band in the X direction, so I want also my fixed band to be in the Y direction. So I'm going to change the direction, and then I'm going to draw another strip, another FE strip. So I can actually make it integral. I could also leave it, to not the integral. So I can leave it to be maximum, because if it's not integral, it's then maximum. So but I'm going to check integral strips, so that it will be economical, because integral strips help to create economic design, more economic design rather. So now I'm drawing my strip in the Y direction now, and I'm going to make sure that the strip is I have my delta x to be 0, so I'm drawing the strip. I see that the strip is very, very wide, and it's because of the parameters we used initially for the first strip in the X direction. So we need to reduce this and reduce it to, let's say, 2000. Let me reduce this to 2000 and update it. But 2000 is way too much, so let me take it to 4000. Oh, 4000 is too much, so something within 3000 then. So 3000 is still outside. Let's give it 2800. Yeah. So I think 2800 is good for us. As you can see, 2800 is okay. Let's give it 3000 first and see how it goes. So 3000 is too much. So 2000, let's give it 500. Okay, so 500 is too much. 1100. So 1100 for somewhere around here, which means 1900 should be okay for us. So now we have our fixed band strip drawn now in the X and Y direction, and yeah, I need to update this because I changed integral strips. Okay, This one is in integral strips. Let me check this. This is also in integral strips. Okay, I need to update it. So now we have our fixed band strip, but one thing about fixed band strip is that it's not going to, or FE strip is that it's not going to bring you a design unless you perform flow analysis, So let's try to, since we have our strips now drawn, you can go to your 3D, even though strips don't show in 3D. So you can now go on to perform a building analysis on this. Since you have drawn this, you can go on to perform a building analysis. I think we can go on to just we have decomposed the load, we have created load cases, so we can perform a building analysis.